Hello guys, you're welcome back to Party Shop YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to create a balloon roof using a balloon glue. Stay tuned. Hello guys, so if you want to do a balloon roof with a glue dot, and this is a balloon, it's not filled with air. As you can see, it's actually facing down. So what I'm going to do, this is the glue dot. I'm going to take one or two, but for this illustration I'm going to take two. All I'll do is tear it out. I'll put it on top of the balloon. It's two-sided, so one side will stick to the balloon and one side will stick to our roof, and I'll take it out gently. After that is done, all I'll do is stick it to the roof. Can you see? This is how it comes out.